Clearing your search history on Google Drive can help maintain your privacy and declutter your recent searches. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Launch your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already logged in. Step 2. Access the search bar. Locate the search bar at the top of the Google Drive interface. This is where you can enter search queries and view your recent searches. Step 3. Click on the search history. Click on the search bar to reveal a drop-down menu showing your recent searches. This menu will display a list of items you have searched for previously. Step 4. Clear individual searches. To remove specific searches, hover over the search term you want to delete. You will see an X or delete option appear next to it. Click on this to remove that particular search from your history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history, look for an option that says Clear All or Clear Search History in the drop-down menu. Click on this option to remove all previous searches at once. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Google Drive. Regularly clearing your history can help keep your account organized and private.